Today, we're focusing on a drill press that's catching the eye of both DIYers and professionals. The Scheppach DP19Vario. This machine is designed to provide both precision and power, while ensuring optimal comfort during use thanks to its variable speed. Effortlessly. Whether you are a passionate DIY enthusiast or a demanding professional, this model could interest you. In this video, we will examine in detail its features, its advantages, its possible limits. Stay until the end to find out if this drill meets your expectations and find the link in the description. Right out of the box, the DP19Vario grape variety stands out with its robust construction and careful packaging. The assembly takes place in steps. First, the solid base ensures good stability, followed by the solid column which guarantees a reliable structure. Then, the work table is adjustable and the imposing engine block completes the whole. Fitting the various parts is easy with the instructions provided and the whole thing exudes quality. The design is well thought out, with decent workmanship and materials that seem durable. It features a self-tightening chuck compatible with drill bits ranging from 1.5 to 13 mm, a tilting table that can angle about 45 degrees, and a digital display that lets you see the current speed while in use. All these elements contribute to the overall ergonomics of the machine and its comfort during use. With power of 550 watts, DP19Vario offers speed range between 440 and 2,580 revolutions per minute. A major advantage sets it apart from traditional drill presses. Thanks to its manual speed variator, the user can adjust the speed without resorting to mechanical manipulations. This makes the job a lot easier, especially when switching between different materials. Drilling is made easier by an integrated centering laser, ensuring precise alignment of the drill bit. This system is especially useful for repetitive tasks that require high precision. The drilling stroke reaches 60 mm, allowing you to drill through wood or metal pieces with ease. In terms of dimensions, the maximum height between the chuck and the table is 350 mm, and without the table, it reaches 465 mm, which provides great flexibility in choosing the pieces to drill. One of the most appreciated aspects of this drill is its manual speed control. Unlike the classic belt model, here you just have to turn a lever to adjust the speed, which represents a considerable saving of time. This feature makes the machine much more accessible for beginners while providing real comfort for professionals. The depth adjustment is another strong point of this drill. It allows you to make identical series of holes with great ease, without the risk of unintentional variation. The tilting table, on the other hand, allows you to drill at various angles. However, some users have pointed out the scale is graduated, but not always perfectly accurate. That's why it's important to check settings with a protractor. In terms of comfort, the integration of the centering laser is an excellent idea, but its battery operation can be problematic. Indeed, if you forget to turn it off after use, the batteries drain quickly. Some users have even rigged a direct power supply through the machine to get around this issue. Compared to drills, in the same range of column drills, the DP19Vario stands out for its smooth beltless speed control, a feature that's still pretty rare on affordable models. This innovation allows the speed to be adjusted without interruption, which represents a definite gain in efficiency. However, some users point out a lack of precision in the table and the graduation system, as well as a chuck mounting system that could be improved to ensure better long-term stability. These are aspects per your needs. Compared to the traditional belt model, the DP19Vario is undeniably more convenient in terms of speed adjustment. However, when it comes to stability and rigidity, some high-end drills still have the edge. That said, for its price, it offers an excellent balance between performance and ease of use. The patch drill stands out as a great alternative between a classic column drill and a more advanced model. Its simple and effective speed control makes it a smart choice for demanding DIYers looking for a versatile and comfortable solution. Its adjusting speed without changing belts is a big plus. However, there are still some drawbacks, especially the battery-operated laser, a hassle, and tilting table graduation errors. However, its flaws are relatively minor compared to the many advantages this machine offers. If you're interested in this model, you'll find the link in the description for more information and maybe even to make a purchase. Every time you click to buy through that link, it supports the channel, and I thank you for that. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment to give your thoughts. Like the video and of course subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks, see you. Bye.